How to share folder or drive in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you want to share a folder or drive in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your file explorer. After that, go with this PC, and here you need to select a drive or a folder that you would like to share. For example, I'll go with right click on it, go with show more options, and then go with give access to, and go with advanced sharing. Here you will have advanced sharing, just click on it again, and then click on share this folder, and then enter the share name, and give some comment if you want to, and limit the number of simultaneous users. I'll just simply go with one user or two, and then you can also go with permissions and then access some permissions or allow some permissions and then go with OK. But make sure that your permission to full control is allowed, and then go with apply and OK. And after that, again, go with apply and OK, and your driver or your device will be shared. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.